What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Pokebar. First and foremost, I wanted to apologize for my live stream video that I had. First time doing that, so there were some complications. Still trying to figure out the kinks and stuff, and working with software and whatnot. So, again, apologies for the live stream that I had going. Um, but yeah, so today I have another booster box for Evolving Skies that I am going to rip. Uh, Last time we did rip an Umbreon V, or not last time, but 2 videos ago we ripped a Umbreon V Altar, so super stoked about that. Still hunting for uh, those ultra rare alternate art cards. So the hunt continues. Hopefully we can get some really good pulls out of this booster box, like last time, which we pulled a Rainbow Art Lycanroc VMAX, which was still pretty sweet. So yeah, let's jump into it. So here is the booster box that we are ripping. I always have troubles getting these open for some reason. I mean, they're doing their job. They don't want people to just be able to just rip right through it and steal the stuff, obviously. Didn't have much trouble this time. I'm figuring it out. So we'll set that off to the side. Got our sleeves. Let's grab card holders here. For our good pulls. Alright, let's jump right into it. There is the code card. Starting off with a Psychic Energy. Let me get that a little better centered for you guys. A Psychic Energy, Crustle, Rescue Carrier, Crystal Cave, Gossifleur, Fletchling, Scraggy, Hippopotas, Tympole, Lucky Ice Pop, Reverse Hollow, and a Golurk V. From the beginning, we pull a Golurk V. Centering, this is probably the worst centering that I've seen so far in this set, though, that I have pulled. So already getting the Golurk V. Jumping on to the next pack. Let's see if that statistic is correct yet again. Code card. Steel Energy, Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, Shelgon, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Flobafet, Hoppip, Swablu, Reverse Hollow Elemental Badge, and a Gourgeist non-hollow. Code card. Grass Energy, Aroma Lady, Moon and Sun Badge, Pyroar, Petalil, Pikachu, Pumpkapoo, Rufflet, Lotad, Reverse Hollow Scrafty, and a non-hollow Wishy-Washy.
Code card. Electric Energy, Rubber Gloves, Copycat, Zweilous, Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, Bagon, Woobat, Reverse Hollow Lantern, and the Duraludon VMAX. Nice. Actually, the centering not that great on that one either. I guess I've just gotten lucky before on my other, pretty much all the other packs that I've opened so far. Code card. Starting off with a Lightning Energy. Crustle, Moon and Sun Badge, Hippowdon, Temple, Cutiefly, Applin, Sableye, Nickit, Reverse Hollow Eskew, and a Leafeon VMAX. 2 in a row. Early on in the box, too. Oops. Centering's not too bad on that one, though. Code card. Fighting Energy. Oh, let's get this stuff out of the way here. Flaffy, Pyroar, Scroll of the Fang Dragon, Tentacool, Hoppip, Dino, Mareep, Wobbuffet, Reverse Hollow Shopping Center, and a non-hollow Smeargle. Code card. Fighting Energy, Skull of the Fang Dragon, Floette, Boldore, Drowsy, Scraggy, Phoebus, Hitmonchan, Slakoth, Reverse Hollows Zweilous, and then the Duraludon V. So I think this is kind of how we started off on the last booster box that I opened up. Started off strong and then just kind of started to fade out a little bit there. So let's keep this going. Let's get like 9 or 10. That's the goal. Ultra rares. In this box. That is the goal. Will that happen? No one knows. There's a code card. Fire Energy, Zweilous, Nuzleaf, Golduck, Hoppip, Swablu, Zorua, Cryogonal, Petilil, Reverse Hollow Zinnia's Resolve, and a non-hollow Sharpedo. Code card. Psychic Energy, Skiploom, Rayon, Rabombi, excuse me, Lotad, Sableye, Teddiursa, Mareep, Zorua, Reverse Hollow Mareep, and a non-hollow Thievul. Code card. Fire Energy, Treasure Energy, Digging Gloves, Palpitoad, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Woobat, Eevee, Reverse Hollow Aroma Lady, and a Hollow Moltres. Code card. Psychic Energy, Hippowdon, Golduck, Herdier, Slakoth, Fulbebe, Carvana, Dwebble, Mareep, Reverse Hollow Applin, and a non-hollow Lilligant. Code card. Steel Energy, Avalugg, Snowleaf Badge, excuse me, Gordy, Nickit, Dwebble, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Reverse Hollow Bagon, and a Hollow Salamence. Actually, this is a really sick card. I love the artwork on that. Code card. Steel Energy, Lombre, Fletchinder, Lantern, Psyduck, Rufflet, Drowsy, Flabebe, Roggenrola, Reverse Hollow Treasure Energy, and a non-hollow Talonflame. Code card. Excuse me. Water Energy, Rubber Gloves, Copycat, Zweilous, Hippopotas, Temple, Litleo, Eevee, Cutiefly, Reverse Hollow Litleo, and a non-hollow Altaria. Code card. Dark Energy, Full Face Guard, Vigoroth, Hypno, Wobbuffet, Love Disc, Dwebble, Hippopotas, Zorua, Reverse Hollow Temple, and a non-hollow Melodic. Oops. We're still only at 4. And we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 packs. Code card. Water Energy, Crustle, Moon and Sun Badge, Toy Catcher, Tentacool, Pumpkapoo, Bagon, Love Disc, Seedot, Reverse Hollow Articuno, and a non-hollow Seismitoad. That's still pretty sick. Code card. Dark Energy, Crustle, Rescue Carrier, Crystal Cave, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad, Teddiursa, Cryogonal, Reverse Hollow Rufflet, and a Noivern V. So we are at 5 now. Got 4 more to go to beat that statistic, man. I'm after beating that statistic now. The centering's not too bad on this one either. Code card. Leaf Energy, Treasure Energy, Digging Gloves, Palpitoad, Cutiefly, Pikachu, Applin, Lillipup, Emolga, Reverse Hollow Dino, and a Hollow Slaking. Let's leave that bad boy up. Code card. Water Energy, Stormy Mountains, Shelgon, Askew, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad, Teddiursa, Cryogonal, Reverse Hollow Dream Ball, and a non-hollow Melodic. Code card. Grass Energy, Zweilous, Nuzleaf, Golduck, Pumpkaboo, Carvana, Gossifleur, Fletchling, Scraggy, Reverse Hollow Digging Gloves, and a non-hollow Tropius. Code card. So Lightning Energy, Shopping Center, Lantern, Ursaring, Fletchling, Tentacool, Pikachu, Seedot, Lillipup, Reverse Hollow Pinsir, a non-hollow Wishy-Washy. Oh, I think I saw a sneak peek there. Code card. Dark Energy, Askew, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, Crustle, Lotad, Teddiursa, Cryogonal, Nickit, Dwebble, Reverse Hollow Wobbuffet, and a Gyarados VMAX. Nice. That's sick. And the centering on this one is pretty bad too. I must have just gotten lucky before. We are at 6 now. Need 3 more, and hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 packs. Four more to beat that statistic. Let's not be a product of the statistic. Fighting Energy, Avalugg, Snowleaf Badge, Gordy, Flabebe, Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Reverse Hollow Kyurem. Nice, I haven't seen that one yet. I haven't seen that. I think it comes in regular hollow. And Zinnia's Resolve. Nice. That's pretty sick. It looks like she's got pink hair there. We're now at 7. We need 2 more. 2 more, everybody, to hit that goal. Code card. Grass Energy, Ursaring, Swoobat, Digging Gloves, Seedot, Woobat, Eevee, Timpole, Cutiefly, Reverse Hollow Seedot, and a non-hollow Altaria. Code card. Fire Energy, Boldore, Skiploom, Fletchinder, Petalil, Teddiursa, Phoebus, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, Reverse Hollow Carvana, and a non-hollow Talonflame. Code card. Fighting Energy, Tentacruel, Boldore, Aroma Lady, Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, Reverse Hollow Bravery, and a non-hollow Thievul. Code card. Psychic Energy, Crustle, Rescue Carrier, Crystal Cave, Hippopotas, Lillipup, Nickit, Bergmite, Roggenrola, Reverse Hollow Wishy-Washy, and a Hollow Zygarde. Kind of hoping that I get a hollow Articuno. I still need that for my set. There's the code card. Steel Energy, Pyroar, Dream Ball, Stormy Mountains, Gossifleur, Love Disc, Fletchling, Chinchou, Dino, Zorua, Reverse Hollow Zorua, sorry, and Seismitoad non-hollow. Just need 2 more in what? 4, 7, 8 packs. Code card. Fire Energy, Aroma Lady, Moon and Sun Badge, Pyroar, Teddy Ursa, Phoebus, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, Fletchling, Reverse Hollow Nickit, and the Umbreon V. Boom! Nice. And again, centering. It is not so hot on this. But that's alright. It is still an Umbreon card.